Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube Services and Entertainments. This video to show you how to clean and wax windshield in the same time. I'm using an old product. There, I'll put link description down below where you can find a similar one, not exactly the same, but a similar product, and it works fantastic. This product is 2-in-1 cleaner and wax. It's called California Gold Cleaner and Wax. What it does, it can be used for pretty much anything: glass, car body paint, plastic, and pretty much much more on. Like every time you're trying to make surface smooth, clean, and waxed, this the right product to use. So in this video I'm using it on windshield. This windshield, it has always, every time I clean it, it get dirty either from outside or inside. So I'll give it a try and see how this product is. Simply by just using a rag and try to wipe the windshield. You can do from in and out, and I'm just doing it from outside because the inside is not very dirty though. The outside always get dirt, debris, and collect a lot of dust and everything. So watch and you will be amazed by the shine and the clear of glass in this windshield. You will be amazed. Watch and see. It's a simple product. It takes only like a few minutes to do it, and here you can see I'm doing it from outside, and the inside you can see the like fog and very blur view, but wait until you see how we do the second step by just wiping it with a clean rag. No water required. All you need, just California Gold Cleaner and Wax, and 2 rags. One to use on the wax or cleaner on the windshield, and the other one to wipe it with clean rag. Also, while we're doing the windshield, we decided to do the headlights, and it works fantastic on the headlight. As you see, this headlight, it's like a foggy and very dirty and so on, and you see we just put it, now we just wiping it, and you see how good is this product. It works amazing. And also you can use it on car body also to make it clean and shine and wax. Yeah, so it pretty much makes the surface really smooth, very clean, and super shiny. And also at the end, a leaf is like an oily surface, but it's not like you can't feel it. You can't feel, just when you touch it, you'll feel the surface very, very smooth. This is the second right hand headlight, and you see they both shiny and clean, super good. Now we just waited about few minutes, just about 3-4 minutes or so, and we shall and time to wipe the windshield, and you'll see right away the big difference before and after. Yeah, this product is available on Amazon, eBay, other online also, and other manufacturer suppliers too. You can buy. I'll put link description below. You can see here that the big difference actually. I was really I was amazed by how clean this product can make the glass or the windshield or even the headlight too, and of course making it clean, shiny, smooth and wax. Please do not forget to support our channel. We really appreciate your support so we can continue. Thank you so much to all subscribers and to everyone support our channel. You may check other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You may like a video or so and consider subscribe, like and share. It really helps us too much. Thank you so much again. So here you see the finishing of this product. Super good, super nice, very good result actually. Excellent results. I'm just gonna go inside and to see the view from inside the car to see how clear, to make the windshield very clear, very shiny, very clean. And the good thing about using this product too, leaves the windshield long time clean, because it leave kind of a coat of wax. So here I'm just cleaning it final with foam glass cleaner. You don't have to do this step. I'm just doing it to make sure it's like very clean, you know. But yeah, this I'm gonna go inside and do from the inside too. Here I am inside the car. You can see the view. Really good, super good. Fantastic results. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. All the best and hope to see you next video.